Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and ready for another relaxing crochet session. Today, I'll show you how to make a beautiful and texturous puffy stitch pattern. It looks lovely and super easy to follow even for beginners. Let's get started. Grab your yarn and your 4.5mm hook. Get comfortable and let's crochet together. Starting with foundation chain in any multiple of 2. Here I am making 30 chain. I'm going to start row 1. Skip 3 chain from your hook. 1 single crochet into the 4th chain. Yarn over. Let me sew. Yarn over. Pull up the 2 yarns on your hook. Chain 1. Skip 1 chain into the next one. 1 single crochet. Chain 1. Skip 1. And 1 single crochet into the next one. Repeat this pattern. Chain 1, skip 1 and single crochet into the next until you reach the end. Here I am end of the row, chain 2 and turn your work. So skip the very first stitch and then make 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space right here. Chain 1, skip 1 and 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space. Continue this all the way across, and this is called the moss stitch. It's give a soft and neat textures for your project. 2 and turn your work. This is our row 3 and we're going to start puffy stitch from here. Skip the very first space and into the chain 1 space we're going to make 5 double crochet cluster. Pull up the yarn. This is the second one. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up the yarn over, insert your hook, pull up the yarn over, insert your hook and pull up the yarn over, pull up all the loops on your hook and chain 1 and you can secure your puffy stitch. This is called puffy stitch. So we're going to skip that one and into the space, chain 1 space, we're going to make another puffy stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, insert your hook and pull up the yarn over, insert your hook and pull up the yarn. This is the third, fourth and the last one. So yarn over, pull through all the loops on your hook and chain 1. Again, skip the one and into the space. We're going to make 5 double crochet cluster right here. And chain 1. Repeat this same pattern until you reach the end. And that's your puffy stitch row. Now just keep repeating 2 rows of moss stitch and 1 row of puff stitch until you reach your desired length. You can use this beautiful pattern to make a sweater, table runner or blanket. It looks amazing in any color. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment or subscribe for more easy crochet pattern. Happy crocheting and I'll see you in the next one.